To make this dried fish pickle, you need dried fish, tear into pieces, heat the mustard oil, and saute your fish for a while. Scoop it out, use the same oil, saute your onion and chili. Use ginger and garlic paste, tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric, and cumin powder, and salt. Mix well and cook until all the water evaporates, but don't cover the mixture yet. Now add in green peas. I used frozen peas. Mix it well. Then add the dried fish that you fried earlier. If you need some water, if you think the pickle is too dry, add some water and cook it in a low flame until it's ready. Voila!